This is how I batch produce my juice, and I drink it Monday to Friday. Yes, you heard me right, it still retains its nutrients and stays fresh. Using my AMZ Chef juicer is like normal well J2 juicer, but the price is different. Keep watching. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. Let's get straight into this video. My name is Blessing. My life is very busy. I don't know about you. As a single mom, I have to cook, I have to clean, do a whole lot of things by myself, and I want to stay healthy. This is my kale, 200 grams per bag. I bought 4 bags. I already put in this one in the sink. So each bag of kale, which is 200 grams, I already plan to use 3 large apples because I can't drink kale all by itself. I put the apple to sweeten the juice, and apple, they say, is good for your health. I like drinking kale juice because it's very healthy, and I noticed since I started drinking kale, I use the low frequently and my tummy has reduced. I just realized lots of junk that you eat get flushed out by your smoothies, and if you cannot drink green smoothies like me, the best way is to juice it, and you don't want to juice and reduce the nutrients. So that's why I'm using this AMZ Chef juicer. It is not Namawell J2. This is AMZ Chef hands-free cold press juicer. So you've loaded in your juice. I have first of all grind a little bit of kale just to make sure that I've loaded in the 200 grams. I put in this apple so that the weight of the apple pushes it down to juice while I'm washing the next batch. So I allow it to juice here. You don't need to push anything, it's going to juice on its own. And you can see here with this smoothie, with this waste here, you can use it to make your smoothie and it still does the job. You can freeze it, make it into whatever thing you want to use it to make. As this is juicing, I'm not pushing it down, I'm not doing anything. I have just gone towards the next batch of my 200 grams of kale with my 3 large apples. As I'm loading this one in, I put in the apples to push it down, close it, get my bottle, and I pour that into my bottle. Close it. You see, you're not stopping anything, you're juicing on the go. So my secret to keeping my juice fresh is that I fill up the bottle to the brim, and this reduces oxidation and my juice remains free for the next 5 days. I drink this before my dinner, and this is me putting in the rest of the juicer. Is like repeat, load it, watch the next batch, bring it close to my juicer. As it's juicing, I'm getting my bottles ready. I juice within minutes, it's not even taking hours. So this is the remaining part of the juicer. So I don't know, my life is busy. I want to live a healthy lifestyle, but I don't want that to be taking 50% of my time. This is me keeping the waste. You can freeze it and use it later for your smoothies. And this is the last bottle of the juice. If you are new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing. This focuses on personal development and growth to be the best version of yourself in every area of your life. And this is my juicer. I will leave the link to the juicer in the description box. And voila, you've made yourself a juice that is going to last you for the next 5 days, and yes, it stays fresh. I drink it. I've been doing this for years, but this juicer is mind-blowing. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next one.